Lesson 7.5, we're going to be using some unit rates to help us decide which drink here has more sugar and which one has more sodium per unit of volume. All right, so we're going to be dealing more with that unit rate because we know if we get to that, it's pretty easy to compare. So if you notice if we have peaches and syrup, these are 4 ounces in this, and there's 200 grams of sugar and 5 milligrams of sodium. Whereas if we put peaches in natural juice, it looks like now we've got a 6 ounce can of peaches here. So it's a bigger can, and it's got 20 grams of sugar and 15 milligrams of sodium. So when we're looking here, guys, you can't just look at the numbers necessarily. You could do some logic things here, like this has more sugar, we know, because if I look, this has less ounces and more sugar. So guys, we can use our logic to tell that peaches and syrup already have more sugar because it's a smaller size can and it's got more sugar. So per ounce, we can use our logic to find out there's more. But let's make sure we use this unit rate to double check some things here. We want to know which serving of peaches has a higher concentration of sugar. So I'm dealing with the sugar here, not even looking at the sodium yet that's in these cans. So to get it to unit rate, use the unit rate to explain. All right, so I'm going to write up here what I know is there's 4 ounces to every 21 grams of sugar. There's my ratio. Every 4 ounces has 21 grams. And over here I have every 6 ounces has 20 grams. So again, they're different sizes. To double check for sure, I can get it down to 1 ounce. Okay, and to get this down to 1 ounce, I need to divide by 4. And then I must divide this by 4 as well. And then that'll break it down to how much sugar is in 1 ounce. So if I'm looking at peaches and syrup, I'm going to write the answer down here. 1 ounce for sugar. If I take 21 divided by 4, I'll get 5.25, or 5 1/4. So every ounce has 5.25 grams of sugar. And if I do it over here, I need to divide by 6 to get this down to 1 ounce. And so I must take 20 divided by 6. And if you do that, you get 3.333 forever, 3 1/3. So I can tell which one has the higher concentration of sugar. It's definitely peaches and syrup. You got that juicy syrup there that they put in there. It's sugary, makes it taste a little bit better when you have that sugar in there. So peaches and syrup, definitely more sugar, quite a bit. Not quite double, but quite a bit more. Okay. The second one, doing the same thing now, except for sodium. In the sodium, again, we'll pause the video if we need to. Let's go look at our sodium, and we'll write our unit rates here. So here we have 4 ounces is 5 milligrams of sodium, and here we have 6 ounces is 15 milligrams. Again, let's get it to unit rate. Use this unit rate to explain. And if I do that here, I know in this, I must divide by 4 to get it down to 1 ounce again. So I've got to divide the sodium by 4, and you'll get 1 ounce is 1.25 milligrams. If you take 5 divided by 4, that's 1 1/4, or 1.25. And this one, if I take the 6 ounces to get it down to 1 ounce, I divide it by 6. Divide by 6 here. So I'm going to get in this one, 1 ounce is 2.5 or 2.5 milligrams. If I take 15 divided by 6, that's 2.5 or 2.5. So in this case, which one has the higher milligrams of sodium? This would be the natural juice. This one has more, and you can even see it has double 1.25, you get 2.5. So this would be peaches in natural juice. And you should even know it has double the amount of sodium or salt in it, which again, too much sugar, too much salt over time can be bad for you. Again, so definitely need to be looking at labels if you have to watch your salt and your sugar intake. You can do some math calculations with unit rate to see how much sugar and sodium you're ingesting.